Are you struggling with bronchitis and fed up with all that stubborn mucus? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome back to the Lost Secrets of Herbs. Today, we have a remarkable natural remedy that can bring you the relief you've been searching for. Let's start by introducing the star ingredients of this remedy. Middle red onion, 2 big cloves of garlic, 5 lemons, and 5 tablespoons of honey. Red onions are rich in antioxidants, including quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. Onions also contain sulfur compounds that may help loosen mucus and promote its expulsion. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. It can help combat infections that often accompany bronchitis. Additionally, garlic has natural expectorant qualities, which means it can assist in breaking down and eliminating mucus from the airways. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and can help your body fight off infections more effectively. They also contain citric acid, which can cut through mucus and provide relief from congestion. Honey has soothing properties that can help ease a sore throat, which is a common symptom of bronchitis. It also has antimicrobial properties that may assist in fighting infections. Honey can act as a natural cough suppressant, reducing the urge to cough, which can be especially helpful at night. Now back to our home remedy. First, take the red onion and those 2 big cloves of garlic, and we're going to give them a rough chop. Next, we'll need the juice from those 5 lemons. Freshly squeezed is always best. Now, in a clean jar, add the chopped onion and garlic. Then, pour in the lemon juice and those 5 tablespoons of honey. Once you've mixed everything together, pop that jar into the fridge and let it sit overnight. This allows all the wonderful properties of these ingredients to meld together. The next day, take it out of the fridge, grab a fine strainer or cheesecloth and strain out the liquid. You can discard the solid bits. You'll be left with this potent, natural elixir. Take 3 tablespoons of this remedy throughout the day, and you'll start to feel relief from bronchitis and mucus. So there you have it, a simple yet incredibly effective natural remedy for bronchitis and mucus. When these ingredients are combined, their individual benefits are enhanced. The natural compounds in red onion, garlic, lemon, and honey work together to create a powerful elixir that can reduce inflammation, fight infections, soothe the throat, and assist in expelling mucus. This synergy makes the remedy highly effective in providing relief from bronchitis and mucus. Give it a try, and let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Remember, if symptoms persist or worsen, consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay natural.